Yes, indeed. It is called Lothric, where the transitory lands of the Lords of Cinder converge. In venturing north, the pilgrims discover the truth of the old words. The fire fades. Only in truth, the lords will abandon their thrones. And the unkindled will rise.
Unkindled, are we? And fast on the trail of the Lords absconded? What else are unkindled ashes good for? I'm Leonard the Ringfinger. Isn't that enough for you? I sowed the seeds, I'll prune the mess. At least as far as I see it.
Champion of Ash, I am Irina of Carim. I came to this land so that I might be a firekeeper. I am weak and unfit to tend the flames. I was not meant to be a firekeeper, but I am honored to serve you beside the bonfire. The gods are ever merciful. My gratitude lies with them and with you. Oh, forgive me, but if it would not trouble you, might I enter into your service instead? I would be pleased to share the tales of miracles with you. So please, hold out your hand and touch me. Then I am not entirely alone.
Ah, another one roused from the sleep of death. Well, you're not alone. We unkindled are worthless. Can't even die right. Gives me conniptions. And they'd have us seek the lords of Cinder and return them to their moulding thrones. But we're talking true legends. I pity the sorry souls. Is that really Lordship's last reward? The poor wretched souls. What a sham.
Well, a newcomer, I see. I am Andre. I serve at this shrine as a humble smith, forging weapons. I know, it's an awful shame, but it's all I have. Oh, please don't give me that look. Believe it or not, I'm quite thin-skinned. Prithee, be careful.
Welcome to the bonfire, unkindled one. I am a firekeeper. I tend to the flame, and tend to thee. The lords have left their thrones, and must be delivered to them. To this end I am at thy side. To be unkindled is to be a vessel for souls. Sovereignless souls will become thy strength. I will show thee how. Ashen one, bring me souls, link the fire, for the lords of Cinder. So please, Ashen one, allow me to serve thee. Very well. Then touch the darkness within me. Let these souls withdrawn from their vessels, manifestations of disparity, elucidated by fire, burrow deep within me, retreating to a darkness beyond the reach of flame. Let them assume a new master.
A pleasure to make thine acquaintance, Ashen One. I am but a humble handmaid of the shrine. Be sure to bring more souls.
What's this? Oh, a Knight of Carim.